Let us talk about the High Court. The Constitution of India provides for high courts in each state. At the state level, the High Court is the highest judicial authority. The High Court of Chandigarh has jurisdictions over Punjab and Haryana, while the Mumbai High Court enjoyed jurisdictions over the state of Maharashtra and Goa. Delhi is the only union territory with a high court of its own, while remaining 6 union territories are under the jurisdictions of High Court of adjoined states. What is the composition of the High Court? A High Court comprises of a Chief Justice and such other judges as the President of India decide from time to time. The number of judges of the High Court is not fixed. The Chief Justice and other judges of the High Court are appointed by the President of India in consultations with the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and the Governor of the concerned states. The same qualification like required for the judge of the High Court or judges of the High Court like first and foremost, he must be citizens of India. He must have held a judicial office in the country for at least 10 years. He should have been an advocate of High Court for at least 10 years. These are the qualifications that are needed for the judges of the High Court. They can remain in office till the age of 62. And they also are removed from the office on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. The Chief Justice and judges of the High Court receive their salaries and allowances from the consolidated fund of the states. Now, what are the power and functions of the High Court? Like the Supreme Court, each High Court is a court of record and have both the original and appellate jurisdictions. Original jurisdictions, a High Court has the authority to hear and decide case in the first instance. The original jurisdictions of a High Court extended to the following cases: case regarding will, divorce, marriages, contempt of court, etc. High Court has the power to interpret the constitutions. This is known as the power of judicial review. A High Court also has the power to enforce the fundamental right by using writs. Appellate jurisdictions. The appellate jurisdictions of High Court extend to both civil and criminal cases. Appeal against the judgment of a session judge, additional session judge, assistant session judge, the city metropolitan magistrate or judicial magistrate. A sentence of death must be confirmed by the High Court before it is carried out. Besides, it hears all appeal regarding land revenue also. These are the power and functions of the High Court. So we have discussed about the Supreme Court, power and function of the Supreme Court, the High Court, power and function of the Supreme Court. I have given you some exercise and I'll give you question answer which I have marked in the book itself and with a yellow marker, and write the question answer in your copy. Learn them by heart